How to log in into Roadrunner email account. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser and on the search URL type in Roadrunner email login. Then press enter on your keyboard. After that, head over to the first link on your interface and click on that. Now you will directly land on this login page. So first of all, in order to sign in, you have to enter your email address associated with your account. Now, if you would like to save your email address, click on this checkbox that says remember email address, and next time you simply have to provide your password. And under that, type in your email password. Make sure you type in your correct password, and for your verification, click on this checkbox that says I'm not a robot. Now, if you have forgot your email address or your password, you can simply recover them by going to this link on your interface. Click on them and that will help you out to recover your account. Now, to verify that you are not a robot, click on this checkbox and after that, click on this sign in button. Now, if you have entered the correct login credentials, you will be logged into your account. And that's how you can log in into Roadrunner email. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.